In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox. Now all you have to do is to open up Firefox, go ahead and open that up, and now just go ahead to the menu that's located at the top right of the screen. Click on that, and after you click on it, just scroll down until you find Settings. Go ahead and click on that as well. And now on the main page, the general page, just scroll down until you find Web Appearances. Now you can choose from automatic or light or dark mode. Just go ahead and click on dark mode. As you can see right now, as it will work immediately. If you want to go back, just go ahead, click on automatic or light mode. That was how to enable or disable dark mode on Firefox. As always, thank you for watching.